Hey, welcome to Modulify, where building a website is faster than your laptop's fan kicking in a Zoom meeting. You have zero desire to fiddle with templates, layouts, and even your own perfectionism. Modulify takes your idea and builds a full-on website in just seconds. Yes, literally seconds, like microwave popcorn fast. Thanks to the power of AI, Modulify helps you whip out from a landing to a website without writing a single line of code and without crying in your keyboard. Whether you're launching a startup, a side hustle, or a very serious portfolio for your pet hamster, Modulify got you covered. And in this quick videos, we're gonna show you how to become a Modulify expert by showing you how to write prompts that actually make sense. Remember, AI is smart, not psychic. How to tweak and play with wireframes until they behave. How to add styles or magical themes that will actually make your website look like you hired a designer. And finally, export it all into Webflow without setting your laptop on fire. It's easy, it's fast, and you look extremely cool while doing it. So let's dive into it.